Yeah, my little buddy loves cruising around. What's up, buddy? You ready to do some surfing? Let's go, my friend. All right, here we go. Yeah, we like to go cruising like everywhere together. Where should we go? To the beach? Maybe little road trip up to Mount Charleston, maybe? What you think, buddy? Where should we go today? Our little friend likes riding around with us. Yeah, it's like a daily thing. Every time we leave, he cruises around with us. Have a good day. We might go to the beach today, I was thinking. Yeah. See you later. Now, I am an experienced professional stunt driver, so you definitely don't want to try this at home. And you don't want to try this anywhere, actually, even near your home. I'm also a trained bird whisperer, so you should definitely be experienced. What's up, my friend? Beautiful day. Where do you want to go, buddy? Oh, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood for a ride with a picture. Hang on, buddy. Where should we go today? Oh, there you are, my friend. It's up for a lot of surfing today. Yes, I'm a little worried to go, too far with him. See you in a little bit, my friend. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, so we should definitely go cruising sometime together. Down maybe to the beach. I think he definitely could find his way home. And remember, I am a professional bird whisperer and a stunt driver. So don't try doing what I'm doing. Leave this to the professionals.